A new generation of a portable, phone-operated drone is coming. Drone technology doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Ever since I was a child, I've been full of curiosity. I often dreamt of flying. Now, Levetop makes this dream possible. The Levetop is high-tech with a solid build quality. We install the CMOS technology used in digital cameras, meaning your pictures and videos will be sharper and more stunning than any other drones. But most important, its design is unique. Our team worked on each detail to get a perfect, well-balanced result between function and portability. Easily foldable, you can bring the Levetop anywhere you want by naturally carrying it at your waist. Forget complicated preparations. As soon as you're ready to fly, it'll take you only one click to take off. Using our motion control technology via your mobile, you can drive the flight path by simply tilting your phone. Just move on the right or on the left. The Levetop is also very easy to use. Preset the Levetop to GPS and vision position to keep you in the frame. With its intelligent flight system, enjoy full freedom of movement, while Levetop captures the perfect shot, following and tracking your actions automatically. With Levetop, you're free from the control stick and take a picture whenever you feel like it. Once you got your shot, you can edit it on your smartphone and share your own aerial footage to YouTube or Facebook instantly. With our new precision positioning technology, in one click your drone returns exactly where it took off. We're committed to making Levetop the portable, affordable, and fun drone you finally deserve. Thanks for watching.